There's just something about travel that gets me. The adventure of embarking on a voyage to an unfamiliar destination, seeking fresh insights and a broader worldview, unleashing the boundless potential of your mind and capabilities, surpassing all previous expectations, and the sheer delight of experience it all alongside cherished companions. This, my friends, epitomizes the essence of travel.
Pioneers used to ride these babies for miles.
Yeah. It's a boulder.
I'll be completely honest with you. Sometimes, just like life, travel can be scary and we never know what's around the corner. But I find that it's best to just take one step at a time and hope for the best outcome.
So, what do you think about that forest that we just left?
It had some very off-putting vibes. I did not feel comfortable enough to stay the night there. It was definitely cool. There was some cool trees with moss and stuff, but definitely not somewhere you'd want to spend the night, I don't think.
What did you think about that homeless encampment that we found up there in the creepy burned down RV?
I hope that guy was okay. Looked like he may have been there a while, so hopefully he's just enjoying life out there and not hurt or something. The burnt down RV was probably what started giving off some negative vibes for sure. But yeah, plus no service up there. There's just a lot of things that made it undesirable to spend the night at. So we're gonna try and find somewhere on the beach that's nice and positive and sunny and enjoyable.
Yeah, that whole place just gave a vibe of like we were about to get attacked by a bunch of Ewoks. It was really scary. At first it was like, ooh, pretty nature. And then it was like, oh man, I could actually get attacked out here or something. And I don't know. I just like not being locked in. It was very claustrophobic, really enchanting, but also, if you don't feel like you're safe in a certain location, you should just trust your gut and get out of there. So that's what we decided to do, and we're gonna probably go watch the sunset.
Through travel, we become storytellers, capturing the essence of our experiences and memories, photographs, and the bonds we create along the way. These stories become a part of who we are, shaping our identity and enriching our lives. Travel is not just about the destinations we visit. It's also about the lessons we learn along the way. It teaches us to appreciate the beauty of our planet, to respect different cultures, and to cherish the moments that take our breath away. Each journey brings new challenges, new friendships, and new perspectives. It's a constant reminder of how vast and diverse our world truly is. Traveling has opened doors I never knew existed and allowed me to grow in ways I never thought possible.
We're at this black sand beach. I've never seen black sand out here, so it's pretty cool to see this black sand everywhere. It's kind of awesome.
So, my friends, as we conclude this journey, remember that travel is not just a physical act. It's an opportunity to discover ourselves, to forge new connections, and to create lasting memories. So embrace the unknown, take that leap of faith, and let the essence of travel inspire you to seek adventure, wherever you may go.
We're gonna go try and fly this drone and get some cool shots.